Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another amazing video. I'm Mr. DP. We got ourselves another project right here. I just picked up another scrapyard bike. There's something special about this one right here. Let me show you guys. This is... I don't know what brand this is. I think is someone built this custom. It's got 3-piece cranks. Look at that headset. 3-piece headset. My god. I'm pretty sure this has a master link in it somewhere. Let's see. Any master link? Ooh, that's froze up. That's not good. Got the free wheel on the back. Big lug tires. Look, it even has the adjustment thing to keep the wheel in place whenever you put the chain on so that you don't have to hold the chain in place. Look at that sprocket. That's a thick boy right there. Let's see, look on the tires. That's Mongoose. This is a different tire. Oh, this is a tire that must have came with it because it doesn't have any specific brands on it. Ooh, we got some stickers here. Look at that. Always. Let's take a look. Take a look at these over here. Any stickers? Yeah, more stickers. So the rims are the same brand. Look at those caps. Looking clean. That looks like a .45 bullet right there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to work on this puppy. Hey, what's up? We're back. We're on day 2 building this bike. I got one of my homies with me, Mr. Bryson over here. And then we got the new bike. It's in working condition right now. The thing is, so like I completely dismantled it, put it back together, and got it in working condition. But then I realized my phone wasn't recording as soon as I finished it. So, but not to worry because you guys are gonna see it being taken apart again sometime soon because I do need to fix some of the things on here. The sprocket is loose, the headset is loose, the cranks are kind of wiggly. They all need to be greased. All the bearings need to be greased. And
the seat's crusty.
Yeah, the seat's kind of musty, dusty, crusty. And well, I might give it a new paint job as soon as possible. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. We're back again. I'm riding this thing. It's kind of scuffed right now. The handlebars are loose. We're taking it down to my house, tighten it, and also the seat is loose as well, so it's not the most comfortable thing.
Yeah.
This is his bike.
Tell me about it.
He's on my bike, which somehow his bike is more scuffed than my bike right now.
But no, it isn't.
I mean, more dangerous, I guess.
Yeah.
But
Keep my bike like that, then we call it the Death Rider.
yeah, this one's a new suicide rider for sure.
It's out of nowhere.
Also, I just realized it's got wide handlebars. That's
What?
actually nice.
I got wide handlebars.
Yeah, you got wide handlebars. Those are nice.
Yeah, I like your handlebars.
Alright guys, so here's the game plan. We're going to my house, we're gonna fix his bike up, tighten the handlebars, tighten the seat, all that.
Air up the tires.
And the air up the tires. And then I'm gonna grab some of my grab my wallet. And yeah, money that I totally didn't take from the bank. Also, it's raining.
It's gonna be the whole video of you doing this.
Hand me the seat, please.
The seat, the crusty thing? Yep, it's crusty. It's crusty. Now I'm gonna hold this crusty thing and I'm gonna get diseases. I think I'll get a disease from this. So much people's blood's been on this. What did you use something to wipe off that get a wrap thing. Across the seat. That's where I sit on the bike, right on the tire.
Honey. Honey.